morning. It's around 8:07 a.m. I'm in Portland, Maine, and I got something to tell you.
I'm going on a tour to experience T-Mobile's 5G network.
And y'all, we're gonna be riding in style in this 2021 decked out T-Mobile RV camper. We're gonna be traveling all the way from Interstate 95 from Portland, Maine to Savannah, Georgia. Let me take you inside for a tour. You're gonna have this nice living room. You got the kitchen right here. And then one of my favorite parts about being here is this huge bed. Oh, see, T-Mobile is America's largest 5G network, and it was named the fastest 5G network by OpenSignal Awards.
And with T-Mobile being the largest 5G network,
I'm always gonna stay connected. It's breakfast time, baby, and I'm downtown Portland, Maine. I'm trying to get something yummy for my tummy. Let's get into it. Ooh. All right, y'all, so I just pulled up on my friend, who's also my producer for all my music. DJ Rumble, what up, brother? And our next adventure is here at the largest indoor racing arenas here in the Northeast, your city.
Boston, Massachusetts.
Let's do this. Finding the best places to eat on the road and also adventures is so important to me. With the help of T-Mobile, I can use some of my favorite food app and adventure apps to find places right off of Interstate 95. You can't beat that with T-Mobile. It's racing time. I think I'm gonna win. I didn't win, he won every single time. That's how it is sometimes. We're in Philly, baby. And with T-Mobile being my co-pilot, I'm going places. That building is beautiful. And also the water fountain. Whenever I'm road tripping, sometimes I just want to sit back and relax.
I love working on the go, and I've got great coverage with T-Mobile 5G.
Another thing I love about traveling is amazing vegan food like this. Look at this. This is about to be good. I can smell it.
One thing that I've loved about this adventure is being able to see all the sunrises and sunset, meeting people, vegan food, all those good things that make a memorable road trip experience.
Hey y'all, it's day 3 and we're here in Baltimore. We're gonna be checking out a plant shop. We're gonna be eating some vegan good food, catch up with the homies, all that right here in Baltimore.
Yo, what's good, bro?
I am in your city on a T-Mobile 5G tour and I wanna hang out.
Okay, what's up?
Let's do it. Yo, it's easy to look at my favorite vegan spots when I'm connected to T-Mobile's 5G network. And this is the best vegan spot in the city of Baltimore. I love history and I also love reading. And I just searched on my phone for an amazing cultural spot here in Baltimore, Edgar Allan Poe's house. I love plants, so I decided to stop by one of the local plant shops to put some plants in the RV. And now that I have my plants, I can search on my phone how to water them. Day 4, Richmond, Virginia. I got my coffee and I just looked up some vegan spots in the area. It's time to go eat, baby. Let's do this. So you wanna go vegan, right? There's chickpeas and potatoes. That flavor good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh boy, that thing banging. You gotta get some of this, bro. That's good.
Okay, yeah.
I just finished grubbing, so I had to come out here and walk it out at one of the nature trails that's right outside of Richmond, Virginia. This place is absolutely beautiful. One thing that I love about being here in nature is listening to the sounds, of course, but also listening to music and listening to my favorite podcasts. You can do all that on the 5G network. Welcome to Savannah, Georgia. It's day 5, y'all. Let's do this. With T-Mobile's fast 5G network, I can access all my documents and itinerary for today's trip. I'm using the GPS, I'm using the maps in order to get to Fox and Fig, an amazing vegan restaurant. See, this is what I came here for. These vegan nachos. Look at that. Are good. It's so beautiful here on the river. You can see the Georgia Queen right here, and there's so much other things to do when you're here in Savannah. And our next stop is here at Tybee Island. This is one of my favorite beaches here on the Georgia coast. Yes, Georgia has beaches. You know the reason why I love the beach? It's the soft sand right here, the waves crashing, it's the blue water. It's close to Africa. This road trip has been amazing. I've seen a lot of interesting and exciting things, ate some epic vegan food, and I've been able to stay connected, all thanks to T-Mobile.